Today I am going to talk in the process to convert about 230 volts, 50 hertz, one phase, this one, a European boat, 230 volts, 50 hertz, and we are going to convert that boat into American double phase, 240, 60 hertz. You know the main word is a single phase here, in one phase, single phase, and here is double phase, 240. All right? Because the people say, oh, I have 230, 50. Oh, this is 230 and 240 the same. I only need to change the frequency. No, because now in the European boat, you have 230 in one phase. And the equipments in the United States, the appliance 240, they work with two phases, each phase 120. You know, the appliance in the boat European, for example, the stove, is 230, 50 hertz in one phase. The air condition in the European boat is 230, 50 hertz in one phase. Oh, you need to rewire the input power for that air condition unit in the new American boat. Now, two phases, 120, 120, hot and neutral, and now the air condition is working with 240, 60 hertz. You understand? We are going to do today that conversion, and we are going to analyze the majority of the points where the people make mistakes, the majority of the situations in each particular case. I am going to talk about that. Okay, this is a European pedestal, and this is a European outlet. Typically, that outlet have a hot here. This is hot. This is the neutral, and this is the ground with three prongs. You see, guys? The small one is the hot, the big one is the neutral, and this is the ground. In both sides, male and female. Look at this. Here in the boat, you have this. This is female. And here in the shore power, you have that one. And that one enter here. You see, guys? The shore power is the female portion, and the outlet, the boat outlet, is the male portion. Exactly the same here. You have a female here, and yeah, exactly the same in both sides. It's clear? This is the shore power, and this is the outlet. However, in this pedestal, the cable for hot is brown, the cable for neutral is blue, and the cable for the ground is green. That's clear, guys? In this pedestal, I have 230 volts, 50 hertz, 30 amps. Let me show inside of the boat how is the wiring for this European boat. Inside of the boat, they have this configuration. Those are the breakers. In this particular situation, I simulate 3 breakers with you remember the slider? The piece that you slide over there to allow only one breaker. Or you can install the switch selector. It's exactly the same. All right, in this particular case, I have one of those for shore power, other for inverter, and the other for generator. That's okay? This is a European boat in this moment. In each breaker enter hot line and neutral, hot and neutral, hot and neutral, hot and neutral from each of those sources of power. 230 in between the brown and the blue, brown and blue, because it's European. And of course, in the output, the current enter in the main breaker. This is the main breaker at the AC panel. Look at this. In the main breaker, they have a breaker, double pole. In one pole is the hot, in the other one the neutral. The hot is coming here. Look at this. In that boat, there are European boat, there are breakers, double pole, double throw, double, and singles. And the people is confused because they said, oh, I have double phase breakers and single phase. No. All of them are single phase. Because in this one, they introduce the hot and the neutral. And in the single ones, only introduce the hot. You understand? But this is not a double phase. You have here hot and neutral to provide 230 for the air condition. In this one, they put hot and neutral to provide power for the water maker, for the stove. You understand, guys? And in this one, they have only the hot to provide power for the outlet. The neutral is coming from the neutral bus bar. But really, everything is single phase. You don't have double phase over there. In the outlet, those type of outlets with the round terminal, you have a 230, 50 hertz. And you want, here in America, 120, 60 hertz in each outlet, no guys? And you wanted here in America for the air condition and the stove, 240, 60 hertz. That's okay? It's clear the European boat, the European wiring? Some people solved the situation in this way. They say, okay, here I am going to install a step-down transformer like this. In that transformer you introduce 230/50, and in the output you have 115/50. And with that one I feed the regular American outlets. Okay, you have now externally American outlets, but with 115, okay, 115 is acceptable, but the frequency is 50 Hertz, not 60 Hertz. With that Mickey Mouse solution, you understand? To reduce 230 to 115 with a step-down transformers, half amount of turns in the secondary coil. This is a step-down transformer. In some cases they put here after the main breaker that one, but this is a Mickey Mouse solution. This is not a permanent solution. I'm going to explain how to do the permanent solution. Not with this. I want to connect my boat right now here in the United States with this short power cable into an American pedestal. The American pedestal is different. The American pedestal have a hot with L, another L for the other hot, the neutral, and the ground here on the case. You understand, guys? This one is the ground. This is the neutral. This is phase 1 and this is phase 2. You see, the L here and here are phases. In the single phase, the L is the ground. Everybody follow me? And I want the majority of the pedestals in America, they are double phase 240, 60 Hertz, double phase, or 3 phases. In big boats, 3 phases like this. That's okay? Like this or like this. But right now, this boat in the wiring only have 1 phase. What I need to start the process of conversion? I need introduce a second phase. Okay, I have 1 phase, the color is brown. I am going to use that phase. Oh, I have the neutral blue color. In America, the neutral is white. No problem. I am going to use the neutral blue. I am going to use that phase, and I am going to wire, pass the wire in the boat, another phase. Starting in this point, I am going to introduce other phase. Everybody follow me? And can I use the same breakers? Yes. I eliminate the neutral here. No, guys, you follow me? I eliminate the neutral here. Of course, I need to convert that generator into 240, 60 Hertz. I need to replace the inverter or configure the inverter for double phase, or install 2 inverters in a split phase. All right. Okay. I am going to pass the neutral directly to the neutral bus bar in the AC panel. It's clear, guys? I don't want to interrupt the neutral here with the breakers. I don't need that. I am going to use that space on the breakers to introduce the second phase. Everybody follow me? And I am going to introduce the second phase. I am going to wire I am going to replace this outlet for an outlet with double phase, not this one. I'm going to replace an outlet like this here, because the pedestal in the United States, they have this outlet. Everybody follow me? Okay, and I am going to introduce another phase here, red color, and that phase will be entering in the second phase. Everybody follow me? And of course, I am going to replace my inverter or configure my inverter to produce 1 phase and second phase. And the same with the generator. I am going to configure my generator to produce phase 1 and phase 2. That's clear, guys? And of course, that generator produces neutral, and the neutral is going directly from generator. That's okay? And that inverter produces neutral, and that neutral is entering directly here. You understand, guys? Now I have phase 1 and phase 2, phase 1 and 2, phase 1 and 2. And in the bottom, I am going to connect phase 1, the brown, and phase 2, the red one here, and both phases will be entering here in the main breaker. And now here in this one I don't have neutral, I have the second phase, no, guys? And I am going to introduce here the second phase, and with the second phase I am going to provide power for those double breakers. Now in the panel I can integrate another set of double breakers here, and double breaker here, and single breaker here, in order to fit those breakers with 2 hots. The first hot coming from, everybody follow me? And the second hot is the new one. Everybody, guys? And also I have single phase breakers in the new set of breakers. In order to do a similar wiring than this one, you remember this one? You remember that one? With the phase 1, the black one, phase 2, the red one, and neutral for American power. Now I have exactly the same with phase 1 brown, phase 2 red one, and the neutral directly to the neutral bus bar. Or if you wanted, you replace those breaker for breaker with 3 positions, no problem. And you introduce the neutral in the middle, and you pass the neutral in the middle. That's cosmetic. This is to, I try to reuse the element that I have in the actual boat in order to avoid, replace the area, remove those breakers, make a big hole for the big breaker. I can reuse those breakers. And now I have here one air conditioning unit, in this one other air conditioning unit, here the stove, here the water maker, here this. Yeah, I divided the loads in my boat in 2 groups. I have outlets here for a starboard side of the boat, and now the outlets are not like this. Now I am going to install, because here in this outlet, what is the voltage of this outlet?
Oh, no, 120.
120. 120 between this and neutral, I have 120. And now I can install, instead of this, I can install those outlets. The American outlets with the hot, in this particular case, the hot is brown. You understand, guys? It's brown. The neutral will be blue, and the ground is green with yellow strips, because I continue with the same color for the actual ground. And now it's easy, because I bring that hot line now is coming here to fit that one and to fit that one, and the neutral is coming here, directly here, to fit that one and fit that one, and the ground is coming to fit the ground. And now those outlets are 120 volts, 60 hertz, American boat. And here, in between both of them, I have hotline 1, hotline 2. Now I have a 240, and here now I have 240, because here I have double phases. You understand, guys? Now I have double phases. And what about the neutral for the air condition? Yeah, you bring the neutral directly from the neutral bus bar over there, and you introduce here the neutral. And what about the ground? The ground, it continues the same, the ground. You understand, guys? And now I convert my boat. The next step is the generator. That's the next class.